It's a porcupine, guys. Ayan. Parang amoy kambing. There's a porcupine. And the view at the back. There. You can see it. It's really nice and cool. There. I'm running back again, guys. It's a... I'm joining my friend. So here I am in Mountparker. Running. But she left me behind. She's farther already. She's far away from me. But I keep following and then I bump into the porcupine. How nice is that? Okay. We leave that. We leave the porcupine in peace. Bye. Bye, porcupine. Okay. Because of the mist. Oh yeah, you can see. It's like a clouds. It's something. No, you can't see really anything in the city. Nothing. It's just a clouds. There. It's a mist. Look in the camera. Oh my god. Okay.